Hello guys, good evening. I want us to review together the this video this document that the teacher tried to stamp us here on how to make a directory. Now I want us to check some few things. I'm going to be doing it practically, as you also see. But since I've been doing, I'd like me to first go and delete what I'd already done with my group mates. So the final product, we had something of the sort. Sorry, being speedy. In Windows C, in Drive C, we have BIOS 2026, which is that file the teacher was trying to that directory the teacher was trying to create. In BIOS 2026, we have IT 1108. In 1108, we have test 1, test 2. And yeah, they end there like that. Test 1 and test 2, they stop there like that. So I want us to go and first delete this BIOS 2028 and begin a new one. Right click and delete it. So it is his target is that he wants us to create directory BIOS 2026 and have their IT in 2026 we are going to have IT 1108 and we are going to have in this very 1108 test 1 and test 2. So that's the directory strand. Now how do we go about this? I want to open my black screen, which is the CMD command line, which is that. I want us to recognize that it's bringing for us this. This is my running directory in the CMD, but I don't want to use this. I want us to open something in the directory in the C drive. So what am I going to do? I'm going to open to change the working directory, the operating directory in the CMD. How did the teacher do it? The lecturer actually he changed also. He said change directory / which I'm also going to do the same thing. Let me do it like this. Okay, so I'm going to change directory. Then I put / then I do that. Press OK. When I press OK, you know that it's giving me a space to begin a new directory in the drive C. So what am I going to do? I'm going to write BIOS 2026 and I'm going to press OK. Oh, sorry. That was a mistake. I was supposed to say make directory, and I was gonna say BIOS 2026. Yes, it's gonna accept now. I've created in my C drive. I've created directory BIOS 2026. Now I'm going to go ahead and having made BIOS 2026, I'm going to go ahead and change operating directory. I want to now write something in BIOS 2020 in directory BIOS 2026. Now what do? I'm going to simply click that and copy and come and paste it here. It's just the same as writing it. So I'm going to press OK. So now you've seen that I've changed the operating strand to BIOS 2026. Now I'm going to be writing, all my work is going to be written in now BIOS 2026. Now in BIOS 2026, I'm going to go ahead and make directory IT1 subdirectory. This is the main directory BIOS 2026, which I've opened it to. And in BIOS 2026, I'm going to write there. I'm going to write there directory 1108. So I'm going to make directory IT 1108. Then I press enter. It is made. So still in directory BIOS 2026, what am I going to do? I'm going to change now the operating space from directory to BIOS main directory BIOS 2026 to subdirectory by pressing CD, which is change directory to IT 1108. So CD 11 IT 1108. So I'm going to press enter. So that's why you see that now I'm in drive C in main directory BIOS 2026 and in subdirectory IT 1108. Now in subdirectory IT 1108, what am I going to write there? I'm going to write there, I'm going to now write there, another subdirectory, which is test1, by writing make directory test1. It is also written there. Then I'm going to also make directory in the subdirectory IT1108. I'm going to make directory test2, which is okay. I've entered. Now I want to show you the results of what we've been doing so far. Okay. What have we been doing? We've been doing, let me share it as a large one. Sorry, I want to show you what we've been doing. Okay, so I want us to come to this PC. We see exactly what we've been doing. So we change the operating directory from users mkn from main directory users to subdirectory mkn. In CD, we change directory slash, meaning we want to open the new main directory in the drive C. So having done that, we went and wrote the BIOS. We created the main directory BIOS 2026, which are going to see is there, BIOS 2026 as our main directory. Now, this was a wrong prompt, so we realized it couldn't accept this, so that one you ignore it. So you realize that whenever you write a wrong prompt, it's not going to respond. It says it's not recognized as an internal or external command. So we had to rewrite again, make directory BIOS 2026, which is this. It's main directory. So we went ahead and now we want to write something in main directory BIOS. We came and again changed directory to BIOS 2026. Want to write something in BIOS 2026. What did we write? We made a subdirectory IT 1108. So 1108, let's see if we can find it inside BIOS 2026. Then open, we see that we have IT 1108. So in IT 1108, as we pressed enter, we found that it is existing. We actually now want to write something also in IT 1108. So we had to change operating directory to what? To subdirectory IT 1108 by typing in command CD, which is change directory. Such that here we see where this that greater sign, that pointing edible sign is reading. It means this is where we're going to begin writing from. From there, you don't edit, by the way. So we made a subdirectory, another subdirectory test1, Here it's in IT, in subdirectory 1108. I clicked OK as you also. Then I also, in the same sub directory IT1108, I made another directory, subdirectory test2. So having entered, we are going to see what was the result of that. Since here we have not changed. If I had changed to test1, it could also mean that we are writing test1, but we just want to make it in IT 1108. So IT 1108, what is there? Let's see what is there. When open there, we have the subdirectories test1 and test2. Since we have not written anything, then when you check that, you'll see it's empty. Come back, check that, you'll also see it is empty. So that was our strand of directories. Let's compare it now with what the teacher had done. Okay, the teacher had showed us down here that in his local disk he has IT11, or he has something of IT1108. In BIOS, sorry, so let's check for him actually. Let's see. Okay, okay. For him, he didn't make directory BIOS. He didn't make directory BIOS 2020 what? 2026. He made actually FTP 2023. So that's why you're able to see that in FTP, we have FTP 2023. We have in FTP 2023, we have IT1108. And also when you fall here that in drive C, we have FTP 2023. And in FTP 2023, we have subdirectory IT1108, and in IT1108, in that window we have test1 and test2. So he marked here, then he also marked here. Yeah, so that is simply what the teacher was trying to mean by this document. Thank you so much for being part of this. Encourage you to like the video, to share it with those who want to understand, and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.